What's up, everyone? We are here to share our Thanksgiving 2024 experience with you. Starting off at my cousin Brenda's house. Everyone's getting the food ready. Here is some of it getting ready to go. Everyone's hanging out, socializing while we wait for the goodies. My big thing about Thanksgiving is I love stuffed shells and pie. Literally, my mom makes 6 different pies at least every year, and it is such a wonderful experience. They're all delicious, and it's really hard to choose which one. Stepping outside, you got the fun beverage area and the pool, which is closed, but check out that sky. Anywho, back to pie. Mom's dishing out the pie. You gotta wait patiently, but you get a couple slices or 3. And it's just a blast.
Hi. Hey, we're here at Thanksgiving. Here we are. Just had mom's delicious pie.
All right.
It was great. And we're gonna play a game. Okay.
There is an equal amount of 1 trivia questions.
Yeah.
Number 2, acting. And then 3 is going to be drawing and or singing.
This last year too, it was such a success. So we're gonna show little samples from people playing, and you get some of the pictionary in here too. Good times, good times. Thanks, Jonas.
Is there a theme?
Squares.
It's a
car.
sleigh.
Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Sleigh.
Black Friday shopping. No.
Black Friday sale.
Is that a sleigh?
ShopRite.
Shopping line.
It is a cart. Getting in line.
Black Friday.
Shopping cart.
Shopping online.
ShopRite?
Online.
Mail.
Mail.
Basket.
Huh. Is it related to Thanksgiving?
Guitar.
Turkey.
Ham?
Cheesecake.
Piece of pie.
Yule log.
Pool table.
Pecan
A
pie.
ham. Is it food? Is
Is that
that
candy corn?
Cartoon characters. Cartoon balloons.
Start the second part of the word.
Macy's Day Parade?
The New Jersey battleship.
Battleship sunk.
A house.
Constitution.
A puzzle.
Are you okay?
Okay, we're getting closer.
A maze? Corn maze.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now.
Oh, hold up. Wait a minute, I can't see without my glasses.
Mine are like super.
Snoopy.
And the crowd.
Football.
Baseball.
Dad did so awesome with this.
Olympics?
Football.
Hail Mary.
Football Olympics.
Cowboys.
Rodeo.
Cowboys.
Wild West.
I said Dallas Cowboys.
Cowboys.
Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys.
Cowboys versus Giants.
Cowboys say touchdown.
Touchdown pass.
Is going to hum a song for you. The first person to get it wins.
And they're serving. Imagine. Okay.
Yes.
Imagine.
I just got same time.
Living for
Oh,
Act your age. What's my age again?
Laura's going to be acting.
Book.
Dragon.
You're pulling.
Amazon
presents
workers.
under a tree.
Taking
presents with a sack.
Elf.
Peeling potatoes.
Elf making toys.
French fries. Mashing potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. Making mashed potatoes. What is a turkey? Right, relax.
Turkey stuffed with a duck and a chicken.
Okay, now, you're correct. The only thing is, I need the order of what goes into what.
Okay. That I'm not confident on, but
It depends, you know.
I'm going to say the chicken is the inside, and then the duck, and then the turkey.
That is correct.
You just hosted your game show. How'd
Yes,
that go?
yes. It went well. It went well. We had a little intermission in the middle, which was new, but it was good. Good. I think everybody enjoyed it.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So the next day we went to the diner. Our Black Friday was spent doing more eating, and plate after plate that was served looked even more incredible. So that was a good experience. We're feeling pretty full, and hope you had a whole bunch of fun too.
The pie was good. The pie was awesome.
Thanksgiving sports.
Catch you guys next time.